Hello. Hope everything is going well with you. This is week 14 of the semester. Today is Monday, April 8th. So let's take a look at what we've got going on this week. Okay, so this week you are finishing up the thesis workshop for your argumentative essay, essay 2. So please make sure that you have read the thesis page, just refreshing your knowledge and understanding of what a thesis statement is, what it needs to look like and include. Then you should have submitted your topic proposal for essay 2, which should include a working thesis, so like a rough draft of your thesis statement. And then that is what you are going to include in this assignment, this discussion. So you're going to post your working thesis. Make sure that your thesis includes your topic and your angle. So what is it that you are arguing for or against? What is your kind of main point of your essay? And then you need to reply to 2 classmates by Friday, April 12th. Okay, so we are wrapping this up this week. You also have the third and final supplemental learning requirement due. So remember that you have several options here. You can do a group activity, a self-paced activity, or you can seek tutoring. You could seek tutoring for this essay if you would like some feedback on your thesis, if you're working on your rough draft, any kind of part of the essay writing process, you can get feedback from a tutor on, and you can use that for your supplemental learning requirement, or you can choose one of the activities. You can do a tutoring session a little bit later in the semester, maybe in a week or two, or after you've submitted your rough draft, for example, and get some feedback from a tutor then, and you can earn extra credit. So you would submit extra credit here to earn extra credit for your tutoring session. Please note that you also do need to write a short paragraph about your experience with tutoring and submit both your tutoring verification and the reflection paragraph to earn credit for this extra credit assignment. All right, lastly, for this week, we have a reading due or annotations and notes from a reading due Monday, April 15th. This reading is all about counter arguments. So there are 3 parts to this assignment. There's this infographic here, discussion of what the word refutation versus rebuttal means, or what to refute something means versus what to rebut an argument means. We also have what's called Graham's hierarchy of disagreement. So at the very bottom level would be name calling, right? Instead of attacking someone else's argument, you're attacking the person, similar to an ad hominem, which is a logical fallacy. So we want to avoid those bottom level attacks and really focus on these top 4, I would say. Refuting the central point, refutation, just finding a mistake and explaining why it's wrong. Counter argument would be to contradict and back it up with supporting reasoning or evidence. And then contradiction would state the opposing side just with little or no supporting evidence. So you actually, in an academic essay, you don't really want to do this either. You want to be able to support your counter argument. So the top 3 are what you want to focus on doing. And you want to avoid these 4 on the bottom, not just for an academic paper, but also just in general, right? Your argument is going to be much stronger if you focus on these types of counter arguments versus just, the kind of base level name calling, responding to the tone of something versus the actual points that someone is making. Okay, part 2 is to read and annotate or take notes for these articles from module 10. So these were not included In the Module 10 readings, I've set them out separately. So there are 5 pages here for you to read and take notes on. And then part 3 is for you to click here. This is a little slideshow about counter arguments in an argumentative essay. So you're going to click through here, go through each slide, read it, and take some notes on this. So then you're going to upload your annotations or notes for all 3 parts to this assignment. I'm actually going to change the points here. I'm going to make it a little bit more points for you because it's a little bit more work than I think 5 points is worth. So, all right, that is pretty much it for this week. Week 15 has not been published yet, so I'm working on that, and I'm working on the final weeks of the semester. I'm planning to publish the last 4 weeks of the semester today so that you guys can see it all laid out and see kind of, what the next few weeks look like, what the end game looks like, and how it'll all be laid out. All the assignments will be published as well, so you can get a head start on those. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My next office hours will be on Monday, April 22nd, I believe. Yes, Monday, April 22nd from 8 to 8:30 p.m. So you can just hop on here. If you go to the home page and click on quick links, you can click on this office hours page, and that will give you my Zoom meeting link, the meeting ID and passcode if you need it. And the final office hours I will be holding are on Monday, May 13th, same time, 8 to 8:30. So feel free to drop in and ask questions, talk about your essay or any other assignments. And then if you can't make my office hours, you can always schedule a Zoom meeting with me. And of course, you can always message and email me at any time as well. So that's it for today. I hope you all have a great week, and I will talk to you all soon. Okay, bye-bye.